This button in the top right here is the change mode button, and if I click the button it will now put me into inspection mode. So if you click the button again you'll come back here to defect mode. In defect mode you see the locations plotted and the defects are plotted separately. In inspection mode any inspections that exist appear inside the location. You don't place inspections around, they live on or in the location. So if I choose this location here, we can see that there's a number of inspections taking place. There's an obstruction notice here, and there's a construction stages inspection, and there's a recurring inspection that's next due later on this year. And if I open up the close tab, I can also see that this room datasheet inspection has been closed and passed. If I want to add a new inspection to this location, you select the location and you choose the add button in the top right, and under the all inspections drop down list here you'll have a list of all the inspections that you can add. So here I'll just add a obstruction notice as an example. You can type in an optional description if you have one, or an external reference. The external reference is usually used for other programs or reference numbers outside of SnagR. So once I've selected what I want and typed in what I want, you just click Save Inspection, and you'll see now here at the top, slightly grey in colour, I've just added this new H18 obstruction notice. If I now select the inspection, it will open it, and from here you can fill things out. So the pink areas are mandatory fields and the green areas are optional fields, and behind each one SnagR knows what type of data should be filled in. So if I choose the to subcontractor and click here, it knows that you should pick from the subcontractor list. If you click here, it knows that it's a checkbox. Up here at ScRef, this is a text area. This area here is to take photos, so this would show the camera on your device. You can actually mark up these photos as well. Some data will be entered for you, for example the drawing title, or this one here is the location that's been filled in for me. Here we have a date area, so I can select a date and time. We have a few more checkboxes, and this area here is to take a signature. If I've finished editing but I'm not ready to close, then just click back up here. Or if I have finished the inspection form, then you can choose close form. If the form has other pages, then you can navigate through the different pages with the forwards and backwards buttons here. So now that I've finished typing in everything, I'm just going to click back because there's other fields that need to be filled in by other users of SnagR. If I now synchronize, then this form will be sent up to the website and other users will be able to see the form and fill it in.